Let's talk about sentence completion. Sentence completion is going to be in every critical reading section. They'll be the first questions you get. In one section, they'll give you 6 questions. In another section, they'll give you 8. And in a third section, they'll just give you 5. Again, like everything else about the SAT, the questions go in order of difficulty. So the first few questions are going to be relatively easy, and the ones at the end are going to be relatively difficult. The only thing that makes the questions at the end difficult is vocabulary. 2 really important things that we're going to work with for sentence completion are process of elimination, which I'm going to call P.O.E. And the second thing is what I call clues. Before we go any further, I want you to try the question with Mike Tyson, and then we'll go over it. All right, so our question says that Mike Tyson was a blank fighter. He inspired fear in many of his opponents. Okay, the fact that Mike Tyson inspired fear in many of his opponents means that Mike Tyson was a badass. So the answer that we're looking for is Mike Tyson was a scary fighter or something like that. This is where the process of elimination comes into play. We've decided what we think the blank should be first, and now we're going to go through the answer choices, and every word that's in there that doesn't mean scary, we're going to cross off. Answer choice A says mystical. If Mike Tyson were a mystical fighter, would that inspire fear? Absolutely not. Answer choice B is nervous. If Mike Tyson was a nervous fighter, would that inspire fear in anybody? Absolutely not. Answer choice C is fair. If Mike were a fair fighter, it certainly wouldn't inspire fear in anybody, so we're going to cross that out. Answer choice D says consistent. If he were consistent, that wouldn't necessarily scare anybody, so we're going to cross that out. And then we take a look at answer choice E, redoubtable. I'll bet you $1 you haven't used the word redoubtable today. But here's the deal. We know that A is wrong, B is wrong, C is wrong, and D is wrong. So the only thing we're left with is E, which is redoubtable. Just for the record, redoubtable means inspiring fear in somebody. And that is the correct answer.